Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2018 BMW 330i xDrive, equipped with a 2-liter twin turbo engine paired to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as premium leather heated seats, as well as power sliding sunroof, navigation, sport mode, and so much more. Come check it out. All right, moving on to the interior, we're going to have this black interior with red accents throughout the vehicle, paneling storage at the bottom next to speakers, and the power mirrors and windows there, chrome accent handle. Here we're going to have these leather heated seats, power adjustable lumbar with the bolster, and as well as thigh extension. Super nice. And left side here will be your ventilation as well as lighting control, with the left side being your cruise and the right side being your mode and cluster control here. It's going to be push to start. You're going to have the auto stop right above it, and on the infotainment all the controls will be right here. You got your Bluetooth connectivity as well as navigation and other settings with gauge clusters and as well as notifications. Pretty straightforward. Got the power locks here. Of course, you're going to have your radio control and as well as the climate with the heated seats. Pretty straightforward, and as well some extra storage here with the cup holders. You're going to have your Sport and Eco Pro mode. Again, with the shifter there, you got the classic handbrake and center console storage with a USB port. Passenger side, same finish with that thigh extension and bolsters. Red accents all the way across. Speakers and vents up top. And then here you can access the reading lamps, as well as your SOS, and your power sliding sunroof. So you're gonna have these 18-inch wheels on Pirelli Centrato tires with paint match mirror caps. You got the LED turn signal, door handles, tinted rear glass in the back there. Got the LED tail lamps with cool exhaust right there. Debadged, and as well as you got the floor mats here with tools on the side, as well as extra storage down below. It's a pretty spacious rear. Get onto the rear interior, get more paneling and storage next to the speaker. Power window with those red accents. To the back, pretty decent leg room. We're gonna have rear vents in the back here. Oops. Pull that. Cup holder and armrest right in the center, as well as access to the trunk. The lamps up top, and the handles on the side. All right, well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2018 BMW 3 Series 330i xDrive with a 2-liter twin turbo engine, as well as leather heated seats, power sliding sunroof, navigation, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe, and we hope to see Wolfe Chevrolet very soon.